My name's Sacha Schoenfeld. I'm the head of the immigration team here at Fox Williams. There are about 3.8 million EU nationals in the UK, and they have been promised by the government that they will be able to stay both in the lead up to and following Brexit. So what we're going to be looking at today are the new developments that have been introduced by the government. They're yet to come into practice, and they apply to, at the moment, EU nationals and exclude, till now, the nationals of the European Economic Area. So those are nationals of Iceland, Norway, Liechtenstein and Switzerland, but it is expected that those nationals will be included in this particular process. It's just looking at the basis on which they will be able to stay in the UK. And basically, if they've been here for 5 years, they will be able to apply for a so-called settled status that will leave them able to remain in the UK indefinitely and free of immigration control. If they've been in the UK for less than 5 years at that time, they can apply for an initial period of extension, and that can then be brought up to the 5-year period to allow them to apply for indefinite leave to remain. Some people have already applied for permanent residence as EU nationals, and they will also need to make a settled status application, but it will basically be free. Those who have not yet made a permanent residence application but will have to apply for this new settled status will have a fee of £65 for adults and £32.50 for children. And we're assured that the process will be very straightforward. It'll be an online application, and they'll simply have to provide evidence that they have been living in the UK, that of their ID, and that they have no criminal convictions. These facts will be checked against government databases, including HMRC, DWP, etc. We would advise that individuals do make these applications as soon as they are able to do so. It's likely that this process will start later this year, 2018. You'll be able to make these applications for settled status or pre-settled status if you've been here for less than 5 years, up until the end of June 2021. So make these applications as soon as you can as an EU national, as an individual. For employers, we would advise that they keep their workforce appraised and informed as to these developments, and make sure that they understand what they would need to do and how many this new status will affect. It's important that applications are made. You don't want to get to the end of 2020 and find that no application has been made, or worse still, to the end of June 2021 and find that no application has been made. So it is important that an application for settled status is obtained. Otherwise, you could find yourself having to comply with the requirements of the UK immigration rules, which are a lot stricter than this is likely to be. And you want to be able to stay in the UK without hindrance and indefinitely if you've been here as an EU national.